Happy New Year. Making one of my first train videos of the year, I think. And I had a request to show all my engines, and these are all my engines. Right here. So this is my newest engine right here. My Orient Express train. And this is the very first engine I ever had. I bought, even before I had a working controller, I bought that engine. My smallest two little engines, my 3000, and the diesel. This is the BR1, the one that caught on fire and they reconstructed it. It's my new Christmas engine. Streamliner, it's one of my favorites. This is two Prussian engines I have. That one I had a new decoder put in. This is my City Bond diesel. And another little Prussian style. Kombacher, Swiss. Another Swiss, the Swiss Farmer. 150 anniversary electric engine. This one is the BR1. That's one of my favorite ones. The DRG. This one's the BR50 collector's edition. This side is the Toy Fair camouflage make-believe engine. Kind of a dispute whether a prototype was ever built or not. This is the BR45, another one of my favorites. Ludmilla, the diesel. The electric E19, another one of the really nice engines. The red one, EB, common. Swiss red one, Swiss green one, been upgraded. Porsche electric one. This is my second engine I ever had, was the Swiss starter. And this is my only non-Marklin engine. It's a Jagendorfer. It's the Vagner engine. This is the Austrian diesel. And then the BR's the big one. And I just saw that in real life in Nuremberg at the Deutsches Bahn Museum. Fantastic. And the only one missing is my other electric Christmas engine. I'm having it upgraded. I sent it away to get upgraded. That's my flying hamburger there. But those are all my engines I have right now. It's pretty neat to see them all out at once. I haven't put them all out at once in a while. So you kind of see all my engines at once. All the best. My 3 little Swiss engines are all kind of the same style. Pretty cool. This Vagner one really has good sounds. It doesn't sound like you hear a real train making. Amazing, that's such a cool engine. So I haven't brought a lot of things new lately, partly because I've been away and I've been busy working. But I did pick up this Italian car for my John's Italian train here. It's an older car, but it looks good, and it looks just about the same as the one that came in the 3-car set. And the Italian train looks a little bit better, a little bit longer. This little beer truck and car I got also recently. Here it comes on the tracks. A little kind of neat. I like the little matching truck and car sets. They're nice.